Hey everyone! Today, I want to talk about something that might surprise you. Flax seeds. Yes, those little brown or golden seeds that you've probably seen in health food stores or maybe sprinkled on your smoothie. They're often touted as a superfood, and while they do have some impressive health benefits, there are some serious mistakes people make that can turn those tiny seeds from a health booster into a potential health hazard. So let's dive into it. First off, let's talk about the most common mistake, not grinding them. You might think, oh, I can just toss these whole seeds into my breakfast or my salad. But here's the kicker. Whole flax seeds can pass right through your digestive system without breaking down. That means you're not getting any of the nutrients you're hoping to gain. You're essentially wasting your money. So, if you want to reap the benefits of flax seeds, you've got to grind them up. A coffee grinder works wonders, or you can buy pre-ground flaxseed meal. Just make sure you store it properly in the fridge to keep it fresh. Now, let's move on to another mistake. Not drinking enough water. Flax seeds are high in fiber, which is fantastic for digestion. But if you're not hydrating properly, that fiber can actually cause more harm than good. Imagine trying to run a marathon without water. It just doesn't work. If you're adding flax seeds to your diet, you need to increase your water intake too. Otherwise, you might find yourself dealing with bloating or even constipation. Nobody wants that. Next up, let's talk about the importance of moderation. Flax seeds are great, but like anything else, too much can be a problem. Some people think, oh, they're healthy, so I can just dump a whole cup into my smoothie. But that's a huge mistake. Excessive flaxseed consumption can lead to digestive issues and may even interfere with nutrient absorption. Aim for 1 to 2 tablespoons a day. That's a sweet spot where you can enjoy the benefits without overdoing it. And here's another one, not considering the source. Flax seeds can be contaminated with toxins if they're not sourced properly. That's right. Some flax seeds can contain cyanogenic compounds, which can be harmful in large amounts. Always buy from reputable brands that test for quality and safety. Organic is often a safer bet, but do your research. It's your health we're talking about. Now, let's touch on allergies. Some people don't realize they can be allergic to flax seeds. If you're trying them for the first time, start small. Pay attention to how your body reacts. If you notice any unusual symptoms, it's best to consult a healthcare professional. Allergies can sneak up on you, and you don't want to find out the hard way. Lastly, I have to mention the interaction with medications. Flax seeds can affect how certain medications work, especially blood thinners and hormone-related treatments. If you're on medication, it's crucial to talk to your doctor before adding flax seeds to your diet. You don't want to unintentionally mess with your health regimen. So there you have it. Flax seeds can be a fantastic addition to your diet, but it's all about how you use them. Grind them, hydrate properly, consume in moderation. Ensure they're from a trusted source. Watch for allergies, and consult with your doctor if you're on medication. With these tips in mind, you can enjoy all the benefits that flax seeds have to offer without falling into common traps. Remember, knowledge is power. And when it comes to our health, it's always better to be informed. Thanks for tuning in, and let's keep making smart choices together.